Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I am going to upload this paper. This is 4024 Zone 1, May June 2025, Paper 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is question 1. Work out 6 minus 2 multiplied by minus 4. The simple. First, open the bracket according to the board mass. 6 minus minus plus 4 twos are 8, so 8 plus 6 is 14 here. Now 8 multiplied by 0.80 multiplied by 0.2, so ignore decimal, first multiply these two. 80 multiplied by 2 is 160. 160, so mark a decimal after one place here, so your answer will be 60. 2 over 9 multiplied by 5 over divided by 5 over 6, so convert division by multiplication. 2 over 9 multiplied by 6 over 5, so 3 to the 6, sorry, 3 3 the 9 and 3 to the 6. Your answer is 4 over 15. Now for this, there are 11 a bag containing 11 balls. There are 5 blue balls and 4 yellow balls, and the rest of the balls are green. So 5 plus 4 9. So 11 minus 9 is 2. So green are 2 balls. Now a ball is taken from the bag at random. Find the probability that the ball is yellow. So yellow की probability, yellow balls are 4. So 4 over 11 will be the answer. 4 over 11. Now for not blue, so 1 minus probability of blue. Probability of blue is 5 over 11. Your answer will be 6 over 11. Next, question 3. इसमें you have to draw the net of the cube having area of one face 9 centimeter squares. You know that the length of each sides of the square is same. So each side of the square cube will be 3 centimeters, and each small square is 3 centimeter. So draw here the net. यहीं से इधर से we will start from here. तो 3 डाउनवर्ड चले जाएं आप. 3 डाउन, 2 3, 1 2 3 and 3 rightward. This is his one face, and this is the other face. This is the basic face. ये जो बेस में होता है ना, फेस नीचे वाला जिसको हम बोलते हैं. तो there is another face. This is the face of base, and this is the face towards right side. 1 2 3. This is the face. And this is another face towards right side, that is left side, and this is right side. So these are how many faces? 4 faces. 1 2 3 4. So more, 2 more are required. So one, this is for open one side. ये तो आपकी हो गई open one side. तो एक और बना दें, तो you will get a full net. This is upper side. That's it for the net of the cube. Now, in this question, he is asking for the value of x. You know that the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is equals to sum of the opposite interior angles of the triangle is equals to exterior angle. So if this is your isosceles triangle, the opposite angles will also be equal. This will be 35. The sum of these two will be 70 here, and this is also the sum of these two angles because this is the exterior angle of this triangle. So x plus 48 is equal to 70, and then x is equals to 22 degrees. That's it for this. 22 degrees here. Now, for the next question 5, simply solve this. So first divide this by 5 on both sides. This 5 will be cancelled here. This 5 will be cancelled here. So x minus 4 is equals to 7, and x is equals to, sorry. 4 minus x is equals to 7, and minus x is equals to 7 minus 4, minus x is equals to 3, and x is equals to minus 3. This is minus 3. Now for the question 6. In this question, for part first, this is the question for your hard sheet. So simply measure the length of AB and multiply this length by 5, because 1 centimeter is equals to 5 kilometers. So this length will be multiplied by 5, so you will get the answer in kilometers. Next इसका part है, a village C is 60 degrees from A and 320 degrees from B. So here on this, we 60 degrees के लिए first you will mark here. Your bearing is always on movement towards right side. So let's suppose that this is the line of 60 degrees. This is angle 60 degrees. So C is anywhere over here, but you will mark this angle by putting your protractor here and this line on the 90 line. So measure the angle from here towards the 60 degrees. Draw the line. So this will be the line of 60 degrees, and this one is 320 degrees. Here you will again draw, and you know that this vertical line is 180 degrees, 90, and this is 90, and this is 270. We need 50 degrees here to make 320. So approximately, let this will be 10. We need 40 degrees angle here. So approximately I am doing here, but in hard sheet you will do this whole work by the protractor, right? So this whole angle is 50 degrees. So C will be anywhere here. That's it for this part. Now question 7, evaluate cube root of 125. So you can write this as the power of 1 by 3. If there is no number here, so you can write the power 1 by 2. So 1 by 125 whole power 1 by 3. You will get 5 power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. 3 cancelled. Your answer is 5 here. Similarly here, 1 over 4 power 2, you will get 1 over 16. Your answer is 1 over 16. Now for the next question, question 8. Here you have to plot. You have to plot the points in the grid which are not shaded. So first the point is इसको मैं ज़रा थोड़ा सा मिनिमाइज करूँगा. Yes. One first is 4.2 to 52. 4.2 to 52. This is 4.2 to 52. 52 is here. This is 52. So 52 mark across here. This is 52. Then 9 and 116. This is your line of 9. 9 and 116. 9 ये line 9 and 116. This is going upward. 9 and 116. 1, this is 110. 112, 114, 116. This is 116 here. अच्छा जी, मैं ज़रा इसकी इंक चेंज कर दूँ ताकि डिफरेंस हो जाए। ये आ एक पॉइंट आ गया हमारा, ये, और एक ये पॉइंट आ गया, ठीक है, डिफरेंट इंक। अच्छा जी, 3.8 to 449, 3.8, this is 3.8 to 49, 49, so 3.8 to 49, this is approximately 9। अच्छा जी, फिर है 5.6 to 62, 5.6, this is 5.6 to 62, 5.6 to 62, this is, हाँ जी। Now for the next part, points are plotted. Draw a best line of best fit. For best fit line, you have to draw the line in between the points. Let's suppose we start from here. From here, इस इधर से अगर आप शुरू कर दें, from here, from this point you can start. So the line passing in between the points. Sorry. Yeah, I would like to erase this. Now from here, go to the last point. Go to the last point. इसमें है option, चलें, straight जाने वाली option है इसमें। चलें, यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं। But you have to put scale over here. This is best fit line. You have to draw this line with the help of scale. I don't have a graphical line which goes straight, so this is best fit line here. Now the next part is another walk for 68 kilometers, 6.8 kilometers. The 6.8 kilometers, this is 6.8 kilometers, 6.8 के opposite अगर आप चलते जाएं, so this will be come here. This is 88. 88. Answer will be 88 minutes. Approximation है, answer could be differ. 88, 86 भी हो सकता है, 89, 87, 85 भी हो सकता है। Question 9. The diagram shows a rectangle 87.1 meter ये वो वगैरह वगैरह by writing each number correct to one significant figure. Means के if 87, this is 90, multiply by correct to one significant figure, so this will be 20, area will be 1800 millimeters square. Uh, Write 228 as a product of its prime factors. तो प्राइम फैक्टर्स 228 के आप इस तरह से ड्रॉ कर लें लाइन। 228, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, now by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 17, that's it. So prime factors of 220 will be 2 square multiplied by 3 multiplied by 19. Now 228 square is this much. Write down the prime as a product of prime factors of this one. So you can see that this is square, the squaring all factors, so you will get answer 2 power 4 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 19 square. This is one more question, you can write this direct answer. Question 11. The mass of a small box is x kilogram, ये वो वगैरह वगैरह. The total mass of four small boxes यानी 4x and 6y is equals to 30. Dividing this whole by 2, so you will get 2x plus 3y is equals to 15, and this is shown. Next, the total mass of six small boxes, yani 6x plus one large box 1y is equals to 13. ये इक्वेशन बन गई इसकी. Now by solving simultaneously this equation, find the values of x and y. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 15, and 6x plus y is equals to 13. Very simple. If we multiply this equation by 3, then x will be eliminated. If multiply second equation by 3, then y will be eliminated. This is your choice. So I am going multiplying first equation by 3. So we will get 6x plus 9y is equals to 45, and 6x plus y is equals to 13. By subtracting, sign changes, plus minus, 6x cancelled, 9 minus 1 is 8y is equals to 32, and y is equals to 4 kilogram. अच्छा जी. Put in the value of y in any one of these two equations. So 6x plus 4 is equals to 13, 6x is equals to 9, and x is equals to 9 over 6. By cancellation, x is equals to 1.5. So mass of x small box is 1.5, and mass of large is 4. That's it. Next question. Question 12. Triangle A is and triangle B are drawn on the grid. ये ड्रॉ हुई है. आगे कह रहा है डिस्क्राइब द सिंगल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दैट मैप्स ट्रायंगल ए ऑन टू ट्रायंगल बी. So you can see that the triangle B is totally converted into vertical form. Triangle A is in horizontal form. So this is your, you can say that this is your rotation. One part. Number two, center of rotation and angle of rotation. And for center of rotation, we take the perpendicular bisector joining the corresponding points. So these are the corresponding points. You can see that all the squares are equally divided. So the perpendicular bisector of this line will be here. This is the perpendicular bisector, but you have to use compasses here. Open your compass more than half of this line and mark the arcs and up and down like this. Open your compass more than half, mark an arc here from this side and one arc at this side. Then one from here to cut this arc and join these 2 points, so you will get the perpendicular bisector of this line. Similarly, join these corresponding, this one is corresponding to this one, so join these two again. You will see that all the squares are equally divided, so perpendicular bisector will also come on this straight line. And but if you will join these two corresponding points, ये corresponding join करेंगे, तो they will have different line. That line will join again here at this. इसको ज्वाइन करेगी, जैसे भी करेगी ये इस पॉइंट पे ज्वाइन करेगी. ठीक है. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर जब आप इसका लेंगे तो दैट लाइन विल ज्वाइन हियर. तो सो द सेंटर ऑफ एनलार्जमेंट इज -2 1. Center of enlargement is -2 1, and angle is, join any corresponding point to this perpendicular bisector and measure the angle. You can see that the direction of the angle is clockwise. So these are clockwise, 90 degrees clockwise. This is 90 degrees clockwise. This is all about this part. For B part, draw the image of the triangle A after a reflection in the line x is equals to minus 1. So draw a line of x is equals to minus 1 here. So this is the line of x is equals to minus 1 here. ये x के minus 1 में से पास कर रही है. So in reflection, perpendicular distance of each point should be same on both sides. This is 2, so this will also be 2 here. And this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the point here of this one. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the corresponding point. So join these. So this will be the reflection of the triangle A in the line y is equals to x is equals to minus 1. So this is triangle C. अच्छा जी. इसके बाद क्या है? हाँ जी, अब ये कह रहे हैं सी पार्ट. Triangle C. No, this is not triangle C. This is this. He has not given any name to this triangle. This is just a reflection. अच्छा जी, अब आप चलें जी. इसके बाद वो कहता है कि सॉरी, he is saying the triangle A is enlarged with the scale factor k and the center is 0, 0. The triangle C is the image of the triangle A. After the enlargement, the coordinates of one vertex of the triangle C is 12 and 3. Now see the vertices of this triangle. The one vertex, the coordinates have 12 and 3. Look at carefully. The coordinates of this point are 4, 1. 4, 1. If we multiply or we divide 12 by 4, the answer will be 3. If 3 by 1, the answer will be 3. So, scale factor will be 3. The value of k will be 3. ये k की वैल्यू तो आ गई 3. Then find the coordinates of other. तो other simple अदर कोऑर्डिनेट्स को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. ये 1, 1 है, तो इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या हो गया जी? 3, 3. तो here you will write 3, 3. And the other is, what is the coordinates of this one? So coordinates of this one is 3, 2. So 3, 2 multiplied by 3 is 9, 6. So this will be 9, 6. Now, for the next question, this is question 13. Uh, in a sale, a shop reduces all prices by 20%. A coat costs $84 before sale. Work out the sale price of the coat. अब देखेंगे 20% रिडक्शन है. दिस मीन्स कि अगर इफ द प्राइस इज 100, तो दैट विल बिकम 80. सिमिलरली वो विल मल्टीप्लाई 85 बाय 80%. 80 multiply by 85 multiply by 80%. So this will become reduced percent price. 8 fives are 40, 8 8 are 64, and 468 divided by 10. So this decimal will be here decimal. So $68. अब वो कहता है कि the sale price of a shirt is 40%, $40. Work on the cost of the shirt before the sale. अब before the let the cost before the sale was X. ठीक है. तो 20% of X. Sorry, one before the sale, the price was the sale price of a shirt is 40. तो इसका मतलब कि 80% of X is equals to 40. So x is equals to 40 multiplied by 100 over 80. 0 cancelled. 8 fives are 40. 5 tens are 50. $50. सेल से पहले उसकी प्राइस थी $50. Now this is question 14 about vectors. कहता है कि A is the point -4 5 and B is the point 6 2. BC is this one. Find the column vector AB. So we have A and this is A and this is B. So in case of column vector, we write AB is equals to AB is equals to OB minus OA. So your OB is write these coordinates in vertical form in the column in the matrix type. So you can write 6 1 OB minus OA is minus 4 5. So 6 minus 4 10. AB is 10 and 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Your AB vector is minus 4. Find the coordinates of C, and we have BC. So break BC into column vectors. So the position vector. So BC, we can write OC minus OB is equals to BC. What is BC? That is given -3 -4. So simplify. OC minus OB. OB के coordinates हैं जी 6 1 is equals to -3 -4. So OC is equals to -3 -4 plus 6 1. You will get 3 -4 plus 1 -3. Now find the coordinates of D. He has given you ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium like this because AB is twice of DC. So this is your A, B, C and D. AB is twice of DC. Join कर दें. AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC, right? कहता है कि find the coordinates of D. So these two sides are parallel, simple, right? AB is equals to 2 times DC. So your AB, we take AB from upside. What is AB? That is -3. AB is 10 minus 4. AB is 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is equals to twice of DC. DC को ब्रेक कर दें. OC minus OD. Your OD, D is in terms of XY. So this 2 will become here as 1 by 2. 10 minus 4 equals to your OC is I think 3 minus 3 and minus OD is X and Y. Let me check for C. C is 3 minus 3, yes. So now this will be cancelled out. You will get 5 -2 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 इन दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 1 by 2 multiplied by 10. 1 by 2 multiplied by -4. You will get 5 and -2 is equals to 3 minus X and -3 minus Y. So 5 is equals to 3 minus x, and x is equals to minus 2. Then minus 2 plus 3 is equals to minus y, and y is equals to minus 1. So this is minus 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, and this is minus 2, and this is minus 1. अब अगर कहते हैं कि फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ ए डी, तो ए डी इज ए डी, आवर ए कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ए हैं आपके पास, कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ए जी -4 5, -4 5, और डी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं -2 -1. लेंथ ऑफ ए डी इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट x2 minus x1, -2 plus 4 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, -1 minus 1 minus 5 square. So this is 2 का square 4, 6 का square 36. The answer is under root 40. You can find answer with calculator. That's it for this paper up to the question 14. I think 15 भी कर लेते हैं. 15 सिंप्लीफाई, हाँ जी 15 तक कर लेते हैं. 15 है सिंप्लीफाई. आप देखें अंडर रूट 175, टेक इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर्स. 175 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स हैं जी, ये 3 पे डिविजिबल आई थिंक. 5 + 7 नहीं, 5 पे डिविजिबल है. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 7s are 35. So here 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 minus under root, इसी तरह 28 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. तो पेयर का फैक्टर जो स्क्वायर रूट होगा दैट विल बी सिंगल 5. 5 आउट ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट दैट इज 7, माइनस सिमिलरली दिस इज पेयर, तो 2 अंडर रूट 7, 5 minus 2 अंडर रूट 7 is 3 under root 7. Answer is correct. Now simply multiply by square root of 5 by upside and downside, numerator as well denominator. So you will get answer square root of 5 over 5. That's it for today. See you tomorrow inshallah for the remaining paper. I will uh, submit for you.